This is a tutorial to make a do-it-yourself, mix and match coloring book by Aussie brand. This free sample book has 5 pages, a front cover, 3 coloring pages, and a back cover. Let's begin the tutorial. In step 1, we will print the pages and prepare the back cover of the book. The back cover is made using the last 2 pages. Adding a thick grayboard paper between them will make our back cover better. We will attach the pages and glue them together. The easiest way is to use a glue stick. The back cover of the book is now ready. In step 2, we will bind the remaining 3 pages together. The easiest way to bind a small amount of pages together is to use a 3M micropore medical paper tape. We will bind the remaining 3 pages together. We will use a 3M micropore medical paper tape. In step 3, we will connect the back cover of the book. In step 4, we will cut the pages and make the flaps. There are 2 dashed lines with scissors on each page. The back cover of the book will remain with no cuts. The easiest way is to use a metal ruler and a craft knife, and to cut along the dashed lines. We can flip the flaps to check that everything works. Our mix and match coloring book is finally ready. Let's try to play with our amazing mix and match coloring book. Flipping the flaps while coloring gives an amazing experience, much more enjoyable. And it is fun, especially for children. Check for more exciting mix and match coloring books. From Ozzy Brand.